Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing well. So my dear students, as you all know, in a previous video we have completed explanation of lesson number 12, The Valiant Queen. So from today we are going to start fair book notes of lesson number 12. So I hope you all are sitting with your English fair book. So let's begin our today's session with a beautiful quote, that is, be kind to everything that lives. Means you have to be always kind. Now first topic in the fair book is hard words. Hard words. So let's start to write hard words. So give heading with a beautiful handwriting, hard words. Number 1, V A L I A N T, valiant. V A L I A N T, valiant. Number 2, I N D I A, India. I N D I A, India. Number 3, S A C R I F I C E D, sacrificed. S A C R I F I C E D, sacrificed. Number 4, R A N I, Rani. R A N I, Rani. L A K S H M I B A I, Lakshmi Bai. Rani Lakshmi Bai. Number 5, J H A N S I, Jhansi. J H A N S I, Jhansi. Number 6, F R E D O M, freedom. F R E D O M, freedom. Number 7, F I G H T E R S, fighters. F I G H T E R S, fighters. So now I am repeating these hard words so that if you have missed anything, you can write it. Number 1, VALIANT, valiant. Number 2, INDIA, India. Number 3, SACRIFICED, sacrificed. Number 4, RANIMAL, Rani, Lakshmibai, Lakshmi Bai, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Number 5, Jhansi, Jhansi. Number 6, Freedom, Freedom. Number 7, Fighters, Fighters. So, my dear students, now I am giving you some time to note down these words in your book. So, I hope you all have completed this. Now, next hard word, that is hard word number 8. TOUGH, tough. TOUGH, tough. Number 9, MAJESTIC, majestic. MAJESTIC, majestic. Number 10, ARTILLERY, artillery. ARTILLERY, artillery. Number 11, GHULAM, Gulam. GHOUS, KHAN, Khan. Gulam Ghaus Khan. GHULAM, Gulam. GHOUS, Ghaus. KHAN, Khan. Gulam Ghaus Khan. Number 12, SIEGE, siege. SIEGE, siege. Number 13, BOMBARDED, bombarded. BOMBARDED, bombarded. Number 14, CANNONS, cannons. CANNONS, cannons. Then number 15, BATTERED, battered. BATTERED, battered. Number 16, SOLDIERS, soldiers. SOLDIERS, soldiers. Number 17, FIERCELY, fiercely. FIERCELY, fiercely. Number 18, CASUALTIES, casualties. CASUALTIES, casualties. Number 19, MESSENGER, messenger. MESSENGER, messenger. Number 20, PANDANGER, panting, panting, cannons, battered, soldiers, fiercely, casualties, messenger, panting. Now next, bonfire, 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 bonfire. Number 22, betwa, 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 betwa. Number 23, illuminated, 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 illuminated. 24, tanty, Tatya, tope, Tatya, tope, tantya, Tatya, tope. 25, ammunition, ammunition, ammunition. 26, troops, troops, troops. 27, fall, back, fall back, fall back. 28, hold, out, hold, hold out. 29, capture, capture. Number 30, fat, fat. 31, sealed, sealed. 32, daring, daring. The next, 33, tucked, tucked. 34, accompanied, accompanied. 35, attendants, attendants. 36, kalpi, kalpi. 37, confusion, confusion. 38, administrator, administrator. Then 39, necessary, 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 necessary. Number 40, conch, 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 conch. 41, scindia, 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 Scindia. banda, 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 banda. 43, scattered, 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 scattered. Then 44, exhausted, 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 exhausted. Then next 45, succumbed, 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 succumbed. 46, spirited, 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 spirited. 47, intensity, intensity. 48, assault, assault. 49, escaped, escaped. Number 50, Gwalior, Gwalior. 51, campaign, campaign. 52, imminent, imminent. 53, launched, launched. 54, cavalry, cavalry. 55, victory, victory. 56, patriotism, patriotism. So my dear students, total 56 hard words are there. Now I am repeating from number 1 so that if you have missed anything, you can write it. So hard words begin with here. Number 1, valiant, valiant. Number 2, India, India. Number 3, sacrificed, sacrificed. Rani Lakshmi Bai, Rani Lakshmi Bai. Jhansi, Jhansi. Freedom, freedom. Fighters, fighters. Tough, tough. Majestic, majestic. Artillery, artillery. Ghulam Ghaus Khan, Ghulam Ghaus Khan. Siege, siege. Bombarded, bombarded. Cannons, cannons. Battered, battered. Soldiers, soldiers. Fiercely, fiercely. Casualties, casualties. Messenger, messenger. Painting, painting. Bonfire, bonfire. Betwa, betwa. Illuminated, illuminated. Tatya Tope, Tatya Tope. Ammunition, ammunition. Troops, troops. Fall back, fall back. Hold out, hold out. Capture, capture. Fat, fat. Sealed, sealed. Daring, daring. Tugged, tugged. Accompanied, accompanied. Attendants, attendants. Kalpi, kalpi. Confusion, confusion. Administrator, administrator. Necessary, necessary. Conch, conch. Scindia, Scindia. Banda, banda. Scattered, scattered. Exhausted, exhausted. Succumbed, succumbed. Spirited, spirited. Intensity, intensity. Assault, assault, escaped, escaped, Gwalior, Gwalior, campaign, campaign, imminent, imminent, launched, launched, cavalry, cavalry, victory, victory, patriotism, patriotism. So, my dear students, today we will do till here only. So, I hope you all have written all the hard words properly. Regarding today's session, if you are having any doubts, feel free to ask me. And again, I am telling you that whenever you will sit for watching the videos of Fairbook notes, sit with your English Fairbook so that you can write with video. So, we will meet in the next session with the leftover topics of Fairbook notes of lesson number 12. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.